Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I want to just let you know a little bit about this channel and what to expect. First of all, my name is Yogi Aaron. I am a master yoga teacher as well as a muscle specialist and a pain specialist. My goal and hope is to support you in how to live your best pain-free life. For about the last 7 years, I have been leading this global revolution against stretch aid, but more importantly, guiding people to living their best pain-free life through intelligent movement and muscle activation practices. We have been creating a monumental shift in the mindset of so many, and we're starting this channel to empower even a bigger reach so we can start accessing and reaching more people, to give them the solution so that they can live their best pain-free life. One of the things that really breaks my heart and affects me very deeply is to see people living with pain. People don't have to live with pain. I would almost say it's a choice, but when you don't know that you have a choice, how do you know it's even a choice? And my goal is to let people know they have a choice. You don't have to choose to live with pain anymore. We can get you out of pain. The first step, stop stretching, and the second step, start activating. Sounds simple, right? Well, on one hand, it kind of is. And on the other hand, that's what I'm here to do, is to guide you through those steps so that you can very quickly, within a week, within a month, start living your best pain-free life so that you can go out to manifest and live your life purpose. There are some things that you can expect to see on this channel. We're going to be doing a lot of interviews with people, different experts, and bringing them in. We're also going to be doing live FAQ sessions. You're also going to have the chance to do challenges with me, pain-free challenges, and so much more. We're going to be bringing you techniques on how to live without stress, how to reduce anxiety, and how to align all parts of yourself so that you can go out to manifest and live your life purpose. I right now am at Blue Osa Yoga Retreat and Spa. You can see the beautiful pool behind me. I hope that you'll at least join me in these videos. Don't just watch the change, be a part of the change, and share this content with your friends, with your family, with your loved ones. Start to share with others how they can live their best pain-free life as well. Don't you want to see more people in the world living without pain and being happy and content and expressing their perennial joy that resides within their hearts? I believe that when we're in pain, it's really hard to be the best version of ourselves. I know it's hard for me. I can turn into a real asshole when I'm in pain. So I know my own pain journey has really debilitated me, and I really believe that it doesn't have to debilitate you anymore. As I was saying, I'm at Blue Osa, and I hope that one day you'll come and join me here, either for a training or a retreat, or just to hang out and talk shop about how we can live our best pain-free life. So thank you so much for joining this channel. Please leave in the comments below and on any other videos what kind of practices you would like to see. How are these practices affecting you? Have you shared the practices and seen these muscle activation practices and how they've affected other people? I would love to hear from you and how these practices are affecting you and supporting you to manifest and live your best life. Friends, I hope you have a super wonderful day. Again, be blessed and live pain-free.